Hey there, welcome back. All right, let's talk about how do you know if your work is actually really good enough. The first thing I want to talk about is you were in competition with nobody but yourself. Yeah, let me repeat that. You are in competition with nobody other than yourself. Because that idea of the fear of missing out or comparing yourself with others, it will drown you. It will. I've been there, I've done that. I've compared myself to other photographers. I've thought, why are they getting all these clients and I'm not getting any clients? That's because you stink. I'm going to say it just as it is. It's because you are desperate. That is why. So stop comparing yourself with others. And then if you want to know if your work is good enough, then have a look at it. Judge it for yourself. Print your photographs and look at them. Really, really study them. The other thing that you can do is you can do what I did. Go out and put your work into awards, like prominent awards. That's what I did. I was always comparing myself with others, but the moment that I started to enter into photography awards, my own thinking about my work leveled up, really, really challenged me. And I realized that I was in competition with nobody else but myself because I needed to get my quality of work up to a certain standard that was industry and professionally rated. And doing awards constantly has helped me to do that because it helped me to grow as a photographer. It helped me to learn new skills, new ideas, new craft, new ways of doing. Not only that, those that are in that circle of awards and or accreditation, they are the most incredibly supportive, phenomenal group of people to be around, to cheer you on. They want you to succeed. They want you to do your very best. They're asking for you to show the very best of your work. When you start to do that, like I did, like I said, your work will just level up and your work will speak for itself. You don't need to speak about it. You don't need anybody else to speak about it for you on your behalf, because it stands alone by itself for itself. Yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Hope that was of use, and I'll see you again in the next video.